Determination of sulfate. Objective of this experiment is to determine sulfate concentration of a given water sample. This is our experimental setup. Take 100 ml of distilled water as a blank in a nestless cylinder. The standard sulfate solution has a concentration of 100 mg per liter, or 1 ml is equal to 0.1 mg of sulfate. If 1 ml is diluted to 100 ml, then 0.1 mg sulfate is there in 100 ml, or concentration will be 1 mg per liter. Based on these calculations, prepare a series of standards in the increment of 5 mg per liter up to 40 mg per liter. For this, take 5, 10, 15, etc. up to 40 ml standards in nestless cylinders. Dilute up to 100 ml with distilled water. Take 100 ml of water sample in another nestless cylinder. Transfer these into different conical flasks. Add 20 ml of buffer for all standards, blanks and sample. Take the blank solution, add magnetic bead, place the conical flask on a magnetic stirrer, mix at a constant speed. Add a spatula of barium chloride. After adding, mix exactly for 60 plus or minus 5 seconds. Now take it out. Allow 5 minutes for reaction time. Similarly, repeat the procedure for all the remaining standards and sample. First, calibrate the instrument using blank. Rinse the cuvette with blank. Fill it, dry it. Then place the cuvette inside the cuvette holder. Close the lid. Now press visible button till the red light glows. It starts to make auto zero starting from 350 nanometer. When our desired wavelength reaches, press again visible button. The scanning will stop. Now measure the absorbance of all standards and samples. Plot a graph taking concentration in milligram per liter along x-axis and absorption along y-axis. Since we know the absorbance of sample, from the graph we can find out the concentration of given water sample.